Hey everybody, I'm Bobby Deen, and if you were here last week, you saw me make a homemade easy pizza sauce, and I said stick around, come back next week, and you'll see what we're going to do with that pizza sauce. Well, here we are, and it's not making a pizza exactly. We are making more of a what do we call them? Pizza pockets, a ham and broccoli pizza pocket. So I've started with opening up a crescent roll, a pre-made crescent roll, and I've rolled them out and cut them into some equal pieces here, and we're going to stuff them, and then we're going to bake them off. So I've done the boring part, which is to get the crescent rolls ready. Now let's go to our skillet, and we're going to heat up our ingredients, popping ingredients. That'll be ham, some green onion, some broccoli. And we'll just cook this lightly. Put a little bit of oil on everything. Just for a minute here until
let that broccoli cook.
Yep, let that broccoli cook just a little bit. And you see I've got my baking sheet laid out here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our ingredients on one side, and we'll rub a little egg wash around the sides here, and we'll fill them and put the other side on, and then we'll pinch them together, and they'll be like little, sort of like, they look like fritters, sort of, but ham and broccoli pizza pockets. They're going to be wonderful. So why don't we take one quick break while we cook our ingredients, and we'll come right back. Our ham, broccoli, and onions are like perfect. So I've turned off the heat, and now I'm just going to stir in some pimentos. Colorful and nice ingredients for our hot pockets, which I didn't want to say, but Teresa said, sure, just say it. So for our hot pockets. We'll take our ingredients and oops. So the egg wash is going to act as sort of the glue here around the edges. Right too. So we'll take our tops. Press them on. That one is a little bigger than the rest, so I'm going to fold it up under.
And I'm going to get you a fork because I think it tells you
It does.
the edges.
Thank you so much. Yep.
And one thing I didn't tell you, Bobby, was...
I'll sprinkle it with a little bit of that.
Yeah. Did you already put your cheese in it?
Oh, crap. I didn't. But you know what? It's not too late. Watch this. Sorry about that. I'm gonna leave one without cheese. If it looks like it's one of the first few times I've ever done this, it is.
Would the triplets eat this?
They might. It's so hard to tell. Those people are picky or opinionated. They might eat it. They would have fun making it, I can tell you that. They'd love to make it. All right, so there we go. And then we're going to dust it with a little bit. I think we're probably going to baste the whole thing in a little bit of the egg wash. Yep. And then we'll sprinkle some Italian seasoning right on top and bake them off and see how they come out. These will definitely be better the second time I make. So good. That one's not so pretty. 3 out of 4 ain't bad. 2 out of 4 ain't bad. They look great. And now we'll pop them into the oven at 375 for about 15 minutes. Probably less because they're
These are probably
doing.
gonna be less because they're thin.
We'll come right back. Our Hot Pockets are out of the oven and they look beautiful. We baked them at 375 degrees for, I don't know, a little less than 10 minutes. And the egg wash on top of the crescent roll dough, they just came out beautiful golden brown. So you're wondering, where's this easy pizza sauce that you've made us hang around for a week waiting to see what you're going to do with it? And voila, there it is. We're not using it, obviously, as a filler. We're going to use it as a dipping sauce. So and that's quite a lot of dipping sauce there, Bob.
We can make pizza.
You got some left over. Could make a pizza. No, that's quite a lot of dipping sauce in the bowl for the 4 Hot Pockets that you've made there, sir. And you're right, it is. Rate these. Ooh, that thing looks good. Look at those. I go for the one that I know does have cheese. I'm gonna get a thinner cut. A little bit of our dipping sauce. Good. The Italian seasoning right on top is a nice touch. They're really, really good. So this is a great, easy way to make Hot Pockets at home. You can get your kids involved. Easy dipping sauce was fantastic. And what a great combination. What an easy recipe. So make it at home. There you have it, Teresa.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.